Hello guys, today I will show you how to start a WordPress blog in less than 30 minutes. First is you need to find a domain name, a web hosting. I will recommend Bluehost. Go to hosting, shared hosting. Shared hosting is affordable. You can choose. I will choose the recommended one. Your domain name. Click next. It's not available. The domain name is available. So you need to fill in the details. 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. If you choose 36 months, you can save. Primary domain name free, SSL free, domain privacy free, WordGuard basic free. Enter your credit card. After filing the details, you can agree and submit. After completing the account, after creating the account and after installing WordPress, I will show you how to install a WordPress theme. First, go to Themes, Add New. You can upload your own themes or search them. I'm using Hello Elementor. Install, activate. We're now using the Hello Elementor theme. So next, we need to install Elementor. I will suggest Elementor because it's very easy to use and very nice. Without coding knowledge, you can create your website very fast. Activate.